What's going on, YouTube? Today video is gonna be some trading live. Well, something like live. Uh, I got 3 funded accounts. I just passed one of them yesterday, which is this one right here, and I probably take a couple trades on it. But I need $200 in this one account in the middle, so I could take another payout. That'll be my second payout on this account. And if I could get that, then I'll try to build this other one up and work on the bottom one last. Or I might take my first trade on the bottom one, since I could be a little bit more aggressive right out the gate to try to build up this, get it over the buffer. But yeah, the market getting ready to open and trade in these NQs. Once we get some type of action where I can take a setup, I'll come back and start the video. But for right now, I'm gonna just go ahead, pause the video for right now. I done forgot to get the dang on video back rolling. I took a starter in at what was it, 3020, and added down here at 85. Now my stop out is below this area right here. It's probably gonna come down to touch VWAP and bounce off of it, but this was gonna be a little scalp. I could have took it off. I think it was like 40 points or something like that, or $40 I would have made. But I'm kind of looking for it to come back, retrace back up here to the 200 EMA and the opening price. But it don't look like we're gonna get there. But either way, if it stops me out, I actually want to take a position. Let me see. If it bounces up over here, I want to take a position to go long. If it comes below this, I want to take a position to come short. And I'm going to do it in probably this account. Those accounts could pretty much get left alone, and whatever happens, happens. It's like an $80 loss if it breaks below this. So we shall see what's going to happen with that one. Looking like it's going to get stopped out because it wants to come down to the VWAP, and I'm pretty sure it's going to go there. So I'm trying to give y'all a little bit of, or give it a little time so y'all can basically see the stop out. But after that, I'm gonna switch back over. I want to try to take a short. How many points is this? 28. 50 points or so, which is fine. But it might just, let me see what's on Bookmap to see any liquidity down here, any big liquidity that it'll bounce off of, or it could be drawing it to it. Ain't nothing huge. The bigger orders was actually up top, so I was actually looking for it to go long to see if I was gonna get something in that direction. Like I said, I need like $200 for a payout because I need the final day, the 5th day for the payout. Stopped out on that. But I need the 5th day for the payout on this account. And I also need the 5th day, because it's been 5 trading days since I took my last payout. So I'm getting ready to put this order in right here, right now. See if we can get filled. I only want one contract. I'm gonna just set it and forget it, and see if I could get 100 points off of this, maybe, which would be actually down here, 8 and 9, back down here to get me over the 200. Put it at 85. Anyway, until I end up in the trade and we get it going there. Or once I get in and it's close to one of my take profits, I'll hop back over here and let y'all know how that's going and how it go. Hold on. So I am in on this position, and this looks like it's rolling over. Kind of debating whether I want, if it breaks below this, it comes down some, if I want to add and move my stop to right here, because that will give me 2 contracts and I won't need as much. Need it to come down as much to get to the 200. But let me see, how many points is that? 6, 60. Put it up. Yeah, I might end up adding to it and putting my stop out above 300 or 3,000. If it lets me enter. Wait for this candle to close to see. All right, I'm gonna put it in. Hopefully it don't do some V-shaped recovery BS on me and take me out. But this is where I'm gonna put my orders at and see if we can get this second entry so we can give some continuation. If it pops back up, let's see how much it'll stop me out for. Still $112, a little bit over what I initially wanted to lose, but I ain't tripping. Could go up a little bit more since I got 2 contracts, but I'm trying to keep it tight because coming back over this could signal that it's going to head back up, and that was a fake breakdown through VWAP. But I don't want to give it like too much room. So let's move it up to over 305. 120. It's cool. I risk an extra $20 on that contract to try to get to 200 faster. Which, let's see where the 200 is. Try to put it there so that I can get, so I don't have to play with this account no more, because I don't want to mess around with the account, which is way closer right here. It's a good thing. Come on. If I could get this 200, stop trading this account so I can take a payout today. And it'll be like $1,100, $1,200 that I'll take out. I'm not looking for the max. Since it's my second, I think I could take out like $1,500 or something like that. I'm gonna let it play out. Come on, it ain't that much. It's not that much. It's 20 more points. 20 more points. And then we can be done with this one and try to build up to get to the buffer on the third account, or take another trade on the other account. Just needed to pop down. What was that? 15, 14 points. Let's see if it's any liquidity sitting down there that will hold me from it. Don't look like it. 26 got a little bit, but it's not a ton. It just, if some aggressive buying came in and held it up. Come on now. Not much. Not much. Trying not to have this dead air. Instead of just sitting here waiting because it's holding right here for whatever reason, because there's really no orders right here. The selling just stopped. There was a buyer but it took that buyer out already. So breaking through there. Let me see on this like right at the bottom of this last hourly. Since it came up close to the top, it's in the middle of the range. Dead smack in the middle of the range on the hourly. It's probably. I'm looking at it as I'm thinking it's gonna try to head down to the lows, pre-market lows. Maybe. Can't be too sure. But I'm gonna pause it till it get close to one of my orders, or if it take it out, and we will come back when that happens. Well, it looked like it just broke soon as I paused it. So now can we get a little bit more continuation? We close to it. We need 8 points, and we can get this payout. Not looking for much. Yeah. Come on, brother. I unpaused it for nothing for you to come right back up into the little same dumb zone after you finally broke it. I ain't even hit the 26 to where it was built in that. I know you're trying to take it out. It's not. It's not that far. It's not that far. It's not that far. Come on. Come on. You right there. Come on. Drop that 26. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. So now we can take a payout with this account. Yeah, caught that on tape or on recording. Let's try to find another setup and we'll be done trading with, well, at least live trading. I don't want to make the video super long and show all mine because it's only 9:50. Probably still, ooh, look at that. I got out right in time. Did I bottom ticket? Almost. Anywho, I would have took a long off of that too. Sorry. But I'm going to come back once something's set up again.
Order filled.
Just took an entry on this one. I'm actually looking for, let me see, the 100 points. That's what I usually try to go for if it's only one contract. If I can get an ad somewhere, which I will take an ad if it break over this in a pullback. But I'm going to try to get it up to 100 points with a single contract, which is where? Back up into trying to get it up. Ooh. I also will take an ad if it comes down here, like it rounds out, comes back to my order and breaks, because I'm going to move my stop below it as my stop out, which would tighten my risk up, risking less. Plus, I have more contracts and be able to take one off earlier. So, yeah, I like that pullback right there a little bit. So I'm going to add one right here. So if it comes back to my order, go ahead and add and move my stop out below this area. So we shall see if we can get that. As a matter of fact, let me put this one right here. And I will put this right here. We'll take profit with the one. Come on. 3,000 held, didn't it?
Stop filled.
All right. Move this order and this order up under here. Let me go adjust them so they'll be the same. See how it's still about $100, a little bit over. I'm gonna give it a tiny bit more room, but not really much. I only put the stops in now because if it breaks it, I don't even want to be in it no more because I'm looking for the other side. I'm, for the most part, just looking for continuation in like a short time frame range to try to get some orders or get some sales and stuff like that. But it looked like it want to come down and stop me out. This account just ain't having no luck, is it? No luck. New love. Put this up to 3020. So we shall see what it's about to do. Here, if it can't hold it, it's gonna probably roll over. We had this big spike up right here, which I probably could put it below that. Because if this volume candle, like this spike and this volume, if it can't hold that, you don't want it anyway. Let's see, what's this top 3000 is at? I'm just trying to see if it makes sense to take something off before that, because it ain't really like a target like that. I just got it up there. So let's see, 20, 30 extra points on one contract. You know, to me, I want to see what it do around this $3,000 if it can break through it good. Let me go see on Bookmap if there's any order sitting there. It ain't really nothing sitting there that should be holding it. I guess that it's done chopped around this thing so much, it's done filled most of the stuff that orders that people want. So until it gets some direction, probably not gonna get away from it. Probably not gonna get like a ton of orders sitting there. So let's see. Let's see. Try. I can take it off. Take one off up here. Kind of see. Probably trail it up. The second one up if it gets up there. It's dropping on me now. So same thing. Keep my order right here. Just think about adding a third contract. If it pulled back here, because that'll just be a little bit more money. If it pulled back here and bounce back up, and still put my stop out right here, since I have a tighter stop. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Put it right at VWAP. If it get back down there, have that sitting at
Order
right there.
filled.
Okay. Don't come in sellers doing that crap. I stop, move them together. So 370. If we can get another touch back up here, I'm gonna go ahead and take one off, and then have one sitting up at the top of this area right here, and then the rest I'll trail it up, and I won't really I'm gonna move it to break even if it get right here for the most part. So if it take this out, I'm gonna re-add an order right here and play with it just in case it want to range bound around this area and keep popping up here until it decide which way I want to go, which will shrink my loss if it breaks below here. So that's the plan. Trying to give it a little bit more time. See if it's gonna take my order out. 3,000 playing around. You don't want to break up to 3,000. Like, come on, brothers. Come on, brothers. Come on, buyers. I ain't gonna sit through all of these. All right, we got that one. It's coming up to the second one. We could get to the second one. I will move it to break even. Get up. Come on, 20. Don't hold me down. Don't smack me down yet, 20. Come on. Fight back. You always do that. Add that mug right back here. We'll come back down here. Come on. Yeah, move. Come. And a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 10. Come on, man. You just really got right there and stopped. Like at 1975. What is this? What is this? Buybacks. Shoot. Even though I don't like that, this pullback, this butt But I'm gonna put it back on if it allows me to. Made a couple extra dollars off of that to help with the stop out, at least on that one contract. Come on now. Really couldn't get the 320. Looking for this 80 again. It's almost like it wants to go down. These buyers can't keep it up. The way I'm seeing it, it's like it's struggling to go up. I'm gonna pause it. If we get to the order, then I will. Or once we get up to the second one, I'll let y'all know. Or if I'm about to stop out. Hold on. All right, so I put another order in. It's got filled. It's looking like it's popping back up. Hopefully we can get that one out. Then I'll add it back again if it want to come down there. It didn't get my follow through up there, so all right, that's good. I'm gonna add it back again. If it get filled, then it'll put the thing right here again. Otherwise, if this one get filled, then I can take it off. I don't know why it's just ranging right here between the VWAP and 3,000, where it don't really want to go. Which basically, by doing this, it just lowering my risk because I'm getting filled on the way back up, taking a little bit off, getting filled back up, taking a little bit off. I moved it down the front one on 3020, just in case I want to pop back up here again. Probably should have did that in the first place, and I would have ended up stopping out that last one for break even because I would have moved my stop. But let's see what we're gonna get now. To come down and pop back up and take me out, or follows through to the downside. I'm not gonna make y'all watch. Like I said, the video getting long. I'm gonna pause it. Looking to see if we can get filled now. Hopefully it don't turn back around again right at the top of my dang order. If it get filled, then I'm gonna move my stop below this area right here. And we're gonna move it in profit to get a little bit of extra profit on that one. And we gonna remove this order. Come on, be right there. I probably should. Yeah, I was thinking I should have just probably put it above that, because that if it popped through, but no, that was good. Because it didn't go through that much. You got this. You got to still come through this. And then it's got to get back up to the opening price. So I'm going to just trail it up. Once I get close to taking the order off, I will pop back in here and finish the video off. In the meantime, in between time, hold on. Well, I was in that big spike. Don't know what happened. Maybe Trump said something, but thankfully he did. On this account, I'm up $393. I'm grateful. I shouldn't have hit market exit once it went through my order, but I did. Anywho, that's it for the videos. If y'all want to see any more videos like this, check out the video I'll leave up here, and I will talk to y'all later. Deuces.